guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick video. I'm going to show you guys how to refill your Wetjet Swiffer without having to buy this thing anymore. The reason why I'm going to do this video is because when we were in quarantine, I was struggling to find these. They were out of stock everywhere and it really made me so mad because I was like, I need to clean my floor. So I found the solution. Those things right here are really hard to take off. I'm going to show you guys how I make it. So if you are interested in knowing how to do this, just keep watching. So all you guys really need is your floor cleaning solution. I love the Fabuloso solution and it smells like lavender and I really like this one. So this is the one that I get and I think in retail is $2.99 and this will last you a long time. And all you need is also a cup of water. The first step you're gonna do is put the cup of water in your microwave for 3 minutes, okay? So we're just gonna wait for 3 minutes. These are the longest 3 minutes ever. Alright guys, so my water is hot boiling. So what you wanna do is put this upside down and just leave it. Guys, be careful. Put a little bit less water in your cup, but yeah, leave it upside down for, I'd say, a good minute. Our goal right here is to being able to open this capsule right here because it's really hard to open it. And the reason why, I think it's because they probably want us to keep buying this product instead of making our own. The hot water will loosen up the cap so it's easier to open it, and then let's see if it's ready right now. Oh, see, it opened just so easily. What you want to do is put your product, your cleaning product, in here, but just do half of it. Okay, so you see I put about half of the product in here, and the other half you're gonna put water. And since I'm doing this video, I'm just gonna do it like that, but I usually just put that under the sink. It's just easier. So you put the rest of it all the way to the top with water. You just close it and then you shake a little bit. Your solution is ready to be used. So this video was just to show you guys how easy and quick this is to do. And you're saving a lot of money because I think those things right here are like $6 or something like that. The other thing that I wanted to show you guys is how to save money on these here. So yeah, I don't need those anymore. What I found was these reusable pads. So these right here, you can literally just put them in the washing machine and reuse them as many times as you want. It comes in a pack of 2. I don't remember how much they were, but they were really cheap. It's so worth it, guys. During quarantine, it was so hard for me to also find the pads. So I found these online and they come in 2s, and I think that this is perfect. You can just throw it in the washing machine and reuse it as many times as you want. Like I said, I don't remember how much they were, but I will find it and I will put it in my description down below. Alright guys, so that's it for today. I hope you guys liked this video. If it was helpful, please like, share, comment down below. And that's it. I'm gonna go clean now. Have a good day. Bye.